Hello again, this is Marina from Energizer Bunny's Mummy Reports, and today I wanted to introduce you to the Learning Curves line of Dinosaur Train toys. I love this line because it's incredibly unique with the use of smart talk technology, which means the characters you see here will actually interact with each other with a simple click of a button. Now, you may remember Buddy and Tiny from an earlier review, and Hank has recently joined the family, so I thought it would be neat to show you how the three of them do together. Let's see. I think Hank's kind of fallen asleep.
I'm an ankylosaurus. Everybody, stop! Let's play Dino Ball! Whoa! Hi, buddy.
Let's reactivate Tiny.
Hi, Tiny.
Hi, everybody. I'm a Tyrannosaurus Rex. I have really great eyesight. I'm a reptile.
Try to score against me.
I'll weigh 7 tons someday.
I weigh almost 6.5 tons. My armor slows me down.
I'm a reptile.
I weigh almost 6.5 tons.
My favorite part is when the three of them
I
actually
weigh
sing
almost
the
6.5
Dinosaur Train
tons.
theme song.
I'll weigh 7 tons someday.
Let me see if I can
My
find
armor
that.
slows me down. Ow! Just kidding. We're gonna ride. Dinosaur Train.
Now, if that's not cute, I'm not sure what is. Check out the line on learningcurve.com.